Welcome to the jungle. In today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own Harry Potter by Balenciaga inspired video using AI tools. Let's get started. First, we'll generate descriptions for our Harry Potter characters dressed in Balenciaga fashion. Head to ChatGPT and type in the prompts I've provided in the description. You'll receive a list of 10 popular Harry Potter characters and their unique Balenciaga pieces. Next, rewrite the descriptions according to the prompt format in the screen using ChatGPT again so they would work with Midjourney. Now, head over to Midjourney Discord and use the rewritten descriptions to generate images. Repeat the process for each character one by one. Ensure they match the overall vibe of each character. Once you're satisfied with the image, upscale it for better quality. If Midjourney upscale quality is not good enough for you, you can use Pixelbin's upscaler for better quality. It has also a bulk upload option to upscale multiple images in the same time. Decide which characters will talk in the video. For instance, if you want Harry Potter to speak, find a high-quality video of Daniel Radcliffe's voice on YouTube. Download the video and then upload it to Elevenlabs. Use instant voice cloning and upload video sample to create a new voice. Then head over to speech synthesis on Elevenlabs and type the words you wish to be spoken and download generated audio file. For animating characters, we'll use the DID tool. Log in, click create a video and add the Midjourney generated character images. Upload the audio sample we created using Elevenlabs and DID will generate a video with talking lip animations. For non-talking characters, use the script option, add 6 times 0.5 seconds break and hit generate video. This will create characters gazing to camera without saying anything. Download the iconic music from the original viral video using the link I provided in the description. But be cautious of potential copyright issues. Finally, use your favorite video editing software to bring all the assets together. I used the script to bring everything together. For creating the photo flash effect, I duplicated same scene, choose dip to color transition between scenes, picked white as color and set transition length to 0.1 seconds. Additionally, the script has camera shutter sound built in. And there you have it, your very own Harry Potter by Balenciaga inspired video. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about art and content creation with AI tools, click here.